Good morning. We're at the cabin, which is super nice. We came here for a few days of rest because, well, we've been wanting to come here all winter, but this was like the perfect time because before the holidays I'm really busy with work, and the beginning of the year is more calm. Although right now with my new podcast project it's been quite busy, but not so busy that we couldn't come to the cabin, which is really nice that we could. So yeah, this is our first morning here. We arrived late last night, and I don't really have any plans except that I just want to take it easy. I have my iPad with me if I feel like drawing. I have a book. I have my yoga mat because I've been doing now this 30-day yoga challenge, but I'm not doing it quite every day because I also go bouldering, and on those days I definitely don't want to also do yoga. That would be too much for my body. I just know it. So I think even though now it's the 10th, today is gonna be yoga day 4 for me or something, but it's felt really nice so far, and yeah, I'm happy to get back into yoga as well. What else? I guess we're gonna be going outside also. Today looks like a beautiful day. It's pretty chilly in the cabin, so that's why my voice is a bit gone. But yeah, it looks to be a sunny day, and there's not a lot of snow, just a bit of frost on the ground, but the lake is totally frozen over and snowy, so maybe I might go on the lake. But yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy and let's see what we get up to. Let's head outside. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, slippery. Whoa. It's sunny. I can't believe that. I can't remember. Oh, I can't remember when it was last sunny. Finnish winter, y'all. He's recording sounds. So I've only been outside for like a half an hour, but the sun is already starting to set and I got super cold. So I think I'm gonna go inside and heat the fireplace and have some lunch. So yeah. But first, I mean, look at this beautiful sunset view. So nice. Today's lunch. Yum. My face is all red. I'm gonna eat now. Onko jo nälkä? Mä just otin lounasta.
No. Ai.
Kiss me so sweet and so soft. Suppose I never ever saw you. Suppose we never ever called. Suppose I kept on singing love songs just to break my own fall, just to break my fall, just to break my fall, just to break my fall, break my fall, break my fall. All my friends say that of course it's gonna get better, 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 better. Never loved nobody fully. Always one foot on the ground. By protecting my heart truly, I got lost in the sounds I hear in my mind. All of these voices I hear in my mind. All of these words I hear in my mind. All of this music, and it breaks my heart, and it breaks my heart. I hear in my mind all of these voices I hear in my mind. All of these words I hear in my mind. All of this music, and it breaks my heart, and it breaks my heart, and it breaks my heart. Breaks my heart, breaking my heart, breaks my heart, breaks my heart. Good morning. Today is a bit more cloudy. It's still pretty light for Finnish winter. Well, I look super tired. Also, I can't hear myself because of the hood, but good morning. I'm at the lake to maybe go take a walk if it's not too slippery. The ice, there's just ice, not really any snow on top, so let's see.